Hey guys, so I just want to talk about in this video today kind of a cool way to build your list by setting up like a Tripwire funnel, like a book funnel. And the example that I'm talking about here, because I had been hit with a lot of promotions for Traffic Secrets. Russell Brunson's new book, Traffic Secrets, just launched, and I actually bought the book twice because there were so many like great affiliate bonuses that were out there that I took advantage of them and bought the book twice. So I'm going to do a giveaway in the future. Watch for it, and I'm going to give away one of my copies of Traffic Secrets to somebody who doesn't have it. So one of the bonuses that I got and took advantage of and checked it out was by a guy named Peng Joon, right? So his presentation inside the Traffic Secrets bonuses was absolutely awesome. I watched it like 2 times. I'm going to watch it another time because it was just so awesome. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out and you'll see what I'm talking about. But I went and checked out some of his other products, right? So one of his products that he's got like several book funnels set up. So I went over and checked out his book funnel, and I went, and if you see, it's got the typical ClickFunnels 2-step order form. So on that page, if you go there, right as soon as you get to the page, there'll be like a video, and then there'll be an order form above the fold, and it's a 2-step order form. So when you scroll down, there'll be more stuff. There'll be other buttons to buy or get whatever. And if you click on them, all it does is scroll you up super fast to the top of the page to where the order form is, right? So when you get to that page, even if you don't buy the book, you still wind up on his list. So here's how this works. This is like super ninja. And this is going to make you want to set up your own Tripwire book funnel to do the same type of thing. So even though I didn't buy his book and I checked out that page, I wanted to see what he had for an order bump, because I knew the order bump was on step 2 of this 2-step order form, right? So when I'm on the page and I put in my name, first name, mailing information, all that kind of stuff into the form, and then when you click the button to advance to step 2, what you're actually doing is essentially clicking a button to opt in, because even though I didn't fill out the form and buy the book, the next day I started getting emails from Peng Joon about, hey, couldn't help notice that you didn't get that book, right? I didn't opt in for any I didn't go to any like landing page and opt in for a lead magnet and be like, hey, enter your name and email address, right? It's because I went through one step of his 2-step order form. So even though I didn't buy the book, he's got me on his list, and now he can start emailing me about, hey, you should go buy this book that obviously you were interested in, right? As well as, hey, if you didn't like that book, here's some other stuff. So it's an awesome way to make sales as well as get leads and build your email list using a simple book funnel. So go check it out, Peng Joon's book funnel. You'll see what I mean. And it's awesome. You go set one up for yourself and take advantage of it. And I'll see you in the next video.